If you've been waiting for a bungalow that actually feels custom in Royalwood and not cookie cutter, this is the one you need to see.
Welcome to 27 Elstree, a 2,000 square foot custom built bungalow situated on a cul-de-sac with a pie-shaped yard.
Right when you walk in, you feel the difference. 12-foot ceilings, built-in speakers, and a layout designed around entertaining, not just living. This is a true gourmet kitchen. 2-tier granite peninsula, double-stacked ovens, commercial-grade side-by-side fridge and freezer, and more storage than most people will ever use.
You've got a walk-through pantry leading into a mudroom with built-ins, designed for real day-to-day use, not just show. On the main floor, there are 2 large bedrooms, and both have their own ensuites, which is something you almost never see in this style of home.
Downstairs is fully built out. Rec space, dry bar, 2 more large bedrooms with walk-in closets, a home office, and a soundproof theater room. And if you're into cars or just want a space that fits your lifestyle, this oversized garage checks that box. Major updates in this home have already been taken care of. Steel beam construction, built-in sound system, and a covered deck.
This isn't your average Royalwood bungalow. This is built for somebody who wants more. Book your showing today.